that chap there.
So you add a 3D DV effect, and you keyframe, say, the Z rotation, and you want it to be rotated like this at this point. But then right here, you want it to, yeah, we want to go here to do it, and then we want to rock back a bit here. What happens when we play the video? It does a full rotation in the opposite direction to you want it to, all the way around, rather than simply rocking back. What is the solution to this? What you could do is you could keyframe frame by frame, or you could keyframe the last frame with an angle that turns to the right, and then keyframe the first frame where it turns to the left. That works, but the simplest thing to do is to take advantage of this tab here, where you can add full turns. So any angle that turns clockwise, simply add a 1 on the keyframes at least. Type in a 1 and go to every keyframe with an angle of 0 or positive and type in a 1 in this box here. This of course is 340, so it's effectively a negative angle, so this stays 0. And the final keyframe of course is a 0, so we want this to be a 1. And if we play this, you can see it rocks back without doing a full rotation in the desired way.